we're going to do a quick guide on replacing the engine air filter on your 3.8 liter 2015 Hyundai Genesis motor. So the first thing you have to do is actually replace this strut brace that's on the left hand side of the engine bay. So there's two 12 millimeter bolts. There's one right there and then one right there, and then there's also going to be 4 clips. There's one back here that I've already popped off. You're going to push it back that way to the left, one right here, one over here that's kind of hiding, and lastly there's one over here. After that, there's going to be one little push pin that we have to take out. You're going to try to remove the middle part with a flat screwdriver, and then it should all come out. Once you've got the 2 bolts out, you're going to actually slide the strut brace up and to the left. It should come right out. So you're going to push in the center of the pin, and actually the rest of it should come right out. Make sure you don't lose that. And then when you're going to lock it, we're just going to push the whole outside part back in. Once you are able to lift the filter housing, you can actually look and see that the filter probably will be stuck to it, and you can drop it down. Now, my filter is still really clean. It's always a good idea to remember how you remove the air filter so that you can actually put it back the same way. Now, this is my used one, and it's not too bad, but comparing it to a brand new one, which is only about 25 bucks from the dealer, looks like a huge difference. So we'll go ahead and put this back in. Go ahead and take a peek in there, make sure you didn't drop any dirt or leaves or anything back inside the air filter housing. And it's also cut out in the shape of the filter, so it should be really easy to put back in. Let's go ahead and do that. And the fourth one's going to be a little bit harder. So like I said, it's on the top left. It'll be a little bit harder to see here, but it'd be best to use a flat screwdriver and actually pry it back. Alright, so if you're having trouble with this one, what I actually ended up doing was using my left hand to actually kind of hold it in place. And if you can slide the screwdriver right in the opening and lift up with it, you should be able to pop it over the tab. So now we just have to put that pin back and put the strut brace back, and we should be fine. So what I actually found with this little pin is it was pushed in, so you actually have to push it back out that way. So it releases it, and then you're going to push the center part back. And now we're all done. So we gotta make sure you have the pin back, 2 brace bolts back, and then you're gonna have 4 of these clips. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, check out the other video for checking out how to replace your cabin air filter. Thanks.